Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to show or hide password using an eye icon in your web project. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got an input field here and an eye icon at the end. Let me type some random password here. Let's click on this eye icon to unmask it. To mask it again, you can click on the eye icon again like this. So this is a feature that we are going to implement in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure and a link to the style sheet. Also, we need a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. Let's create a div element here. Class will be container. Also, we need one input element. Type will be password. Just remove this and put a placeholder password. Now we need two icons here. First, to show the password, and second, to hide the password. To get those icons, we'll utilize Font Awesome library. So let's go to browser. Currently, I am on cdngs.com. Let's type Font Awesome here. Click on it. And just copy this very first link by clicking it here. Go to code editor and paste that link tag here. Save it. Now let's go to Font Awesome web page. Click on icons. Type here I. Just click on it. Click here to copy. Paste it here. We need one more icon. Just close it. Scroll down a bit. Click on this. Click to copy and paste it here. Initially this icon will be hidden. So let's give it a class hide. Save it. Let's create a style sheet here. It will be style.css. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So far we have this sort of output. Let's open the code editor and this Chrome browser side by side so that you can see the changes live. Now let's select the body element. Background color will be this. Select the container class. Display will be flex. Align items will be center. Width will be 20%. Background color will be white. Padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Margin will be 20 pixel and auto. Border radius will be 25 pixels. Now select the input element. Width will be 100%. Outline will be none. Border will be none. Background color will be transparent. Font size will be 18 pixels. Select the eye element. Font size will be 18 pixels. Margin left will be 10 pixels. Cursor will be pointer. Now let's apply color to these icons. This one got class of FAI and this one got FAI slash. You can verify it here, I slash and FAI. So in case of FAI, color will be this. And in case of FAI slash, color will be this. Let's select the hide class. Display will be none. For some reason, this icon is not hidden. Let me go here and I think we need to copy this and place it here. So make sure your own style sheet should come after the Font Awesome style sheet. Now let's maximize the browser. Now it's time to work on the script file. So let's go to code editor. Create script.js here. Select the input element as well as both the eye icons. Let's make it input element. Also, we need to select the eye icons. So let's make it show element, and we'll select them by the class. As you already know, there are two classes, FAI and FAI slash. Let's make it hide element. It's time to add click event listener to both the eye icons. So it will be show element dot add event listener. Event is click. Just copy and paste it, and it will be hide. Now to unmask the password, we need to set the type property of the input element to text. Also, we need to show the eye slash icon and hide the eye icon. For that, we'll utilize the class list property. So it will go like this: hide element dot class list dot remove. We'll remove the hide class from it, and we'll add it to the show element like this. Now just copy and paste it. Here it should be password because we have to mask it again. In this case, instead of removing, we'll add it, and here instead of adding, we'll remove it. Now just save it and go to the browser. Now let's type some random password here. Click on the icon. You can see it is visible. Now click again. You can see it is masked. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.